Hello out there, welcome to this tutorial on differential calculus. We'll be looking at rules of differentiation. This is going to be our first video. We have more videos thereafter on rules of differentiation. We have our problem here. Find the gradient function of the following functions. We have functions in A, B, and C. We start the solution from A, knowing that if y is equal to x raised to power n, the y dx is equal to nx raised to power n minus 1. So with that, we have for A, y is equal to 4x raised to power 5. Following this rule, the y dx will be 5 times 4, which is 20. Then we bring in x, reduce the power by 1. So we reduce 5 by 1 to give us 4. So the y dx is 20x raised to power 4. We then go to the B part of the problem. For B, we have y equal to 2 over 3x raised to power 9. Following the same rule, the y dx will be 2 over 3 multiplied by 9, which is the power. Then x reduce the power by 1 will give us 8. 3 goes into 9 to give us 3. 3 times 2 gives 6. So we have our answer simplified as 6x raised to power 8. We then go to the C part of the problem. We have y equal to square root of x raised to power 3. We need to write this square root of x raised to power 3 in index form. That's going to give us x raised to power 3 then raised to power half, since the square root is interpreted as 1 over 2 as power. So simplifying this indices, we have it as x raised to power 3 over 2. Then applying the rule now, the y dx will be, we multiply by the power, which is 3 over 2x, then reduce 3 over 2 by 1. We're going to have it as 1 over 2. Since 3 over 2 is 1 whole number 1 over 2, so taking away 1 gives 1 over 2. We can simplify further to have 3 over 2 root x, reversing back the law of indices we used here. And that's all for the solution of this problem. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share this video. Until we come your way again, goodbye.